In today's video, we're going to address a common question we hear when folks call our office to make consults, which is, do I need to wait until I'm divorced to divide my property? I'm Jenny Bradley. I'm an attorney. I'm the founder of Triangle Smart Divorce here in Cary, North Carolina, and I'm going to explain why divorce and equitable distribution are not related at all when it comes to the timing of either. Our legal team has handled thousands of cases involving divorce and equitable distribution. And so the first thing you should know is that there are two ways to divide property in North Carolina. One is by a private agreement between spouses, and the other is by court order. Private agreement is typically called a separation agreement and property settlement. You'll hear people shorthand that quite frequently to a separation agreement. But what we're really talking about is a contract between the two spouses dealing with how their property is going to be divided. The other way is by court order. That can be done either by consent of the parties or by going to court and having the judge decide who gets what. So, you should know that in either one of those cases, the property division and the order and the agreement, whichever it may be, can happen before divorce. The timing of the divorce is irrelevant as to when the property is divided. You should also know that because justice turns slowly, if you're not able to reach an agreement on your own, you very well may be divorced and still be waiting on your property division from the court, either to have your day in court or waiting on the decision from the judge. So I want you to know that those two things are not related at all, but there is a gotcha caveat here. And the gotcha is, in the state of North Carolina, if you have not resolved your property division and you go to court seeking a divorce and you've made no claim for your property division at all, then you're going to forever be barred, forever be stopped from seeking a property division from the court unless you have a claim pending when you get divorced. That's a bunch of fancy legal words. So let me try to break it down a little bit. If you do not have your property divided by agreement or by court order, and when I say by agreement, I mean written agreement, duly signed and notarized, do not just file for divorce, because you could lose your right forever to have equitable distribution in this state. Forever. And so we have had people come in our office that have done that very thing, and there's a lot of mistakes that the law is generous with and lets us correct. This is not one of them. So be very careful about filing for divorce and not yet having resolved your property division. Be sure you have a claim pending if you have property to be divided that you want to be divided. Okay, that's enough of a warning for you. This video should come with a big red flashing sign. Warning, warning, warning. If you have questions about whether you should file for divorce and not seek a property division, or if you have questions about how you can resolve your property before getting divorced, please feel free to call us. And thank you for watching.